Central Office Online, or COOL, is the new online check request system. If you're an officer or an advisor, you'll be using this online system to make payment requests for events, vendors, or other student organizations. Replacing current paper from check requests, COOL can be accessed online at any time by officers and provides them with their organization's financial history. COOL can be accessed under the Resource tab on My Purdue. Here you will find a BOSO COOL link under the Student Services section. This link will take you to a page like this where you will use your Purdue username and password to log in. Once logged in, a list of organizations you are a current officer of will appear. Only the president, treasurer, and advisor have access to this page. After you select an organization, it will take you to the organization's page. Here you may find a list of officers, a place to upload documents, vendors that you have requested that the business office has approved, and finally your student organization account. Here you will select the banking button to make a payment request and see transactions throughout the past 3 years. If you notice at the top of this webpage there is an organization account box which outlines your account balances. The fifth line down says Approval Required Account, which just means the number of people your payment request will have to be reviewed by the approval. In the top right corner of this box is a button that says Account Statement. After entering the username DSOTM and password Rocky123!, you have the option to retrieve your organization's account statement for any time from June 2008 forward in a variety of formats. Going back, we can see the Payments in Process tab. This is where you can create payments and track the approval process. The Payments tab illustrates a list of payments that have been approved and processed by the business office. The Deposit tab lists all the deposits. Please note there is a 2 to 4 day time gap from the time the deposit is made at the Bursar office till it appears on the deposit list. Likewise, the Transfer tab lists all the organization's transfers. The Activities tab has a detailed list of your organization's financial activities by date. The Unattached Documents tab is where you can upload invoices. To begin the payment process, you will start by uploading the appropriate documentation by selecting the far left button that says Add. Please note that documents may now be uploaded in PDF or JPEG. Next, if you navigate to the Payments tab and click Add, you will be brought to a page that looks like this. Here you may make a payment to another student organization by selecting this box. To make a payment to a vendor, which may be a person or a business, you click here to access a list of vendors. Select the appropriate vendor and identify the check memo. By selecting Email Notice to Officers for approval, all officers will be contacted through their Purdue email when the payment has been requested. If you scroll down, we can see a Transaction Details tab where you must fill out the activity name, the expense classification, and the amount. Over at the Next tab, we want to choose the document we want to upload by selecting the box. On the last tab, Transactions Approval, you can add any notes regarding the approval process to this transaction. By clicking Save, we attach the document and save the payment information. We are then brought back to the Payments in Process tab. These icons in the margin are only visible to the author of the transaction, who has the option to edit, add, or remove any payments in process. This program is designed to make payment requests simpler and paperless. It is not meant to confuse you in any way. With that being said, it is important to remember to contact the business office with any questions.